Today I'm making a buffalo blue cheese deviled egg. Wow. This is how I made them.
First, we're going to cut those boiled eggs open and we're going to get those yolks out of them. Once they're cut, just dump them into a nice mixing bowl like this. We're going to go in with our mayo, about a tablespoon. Next, we're going to dump in our Frank's Red Hot Sauce because it's the OG and it's the king. We're going to do a little bit of freshly cracked pepper here. And after that, take your celery stalks and dice them up real nice. Just dice, dice, dice until they look nice and fine, almost like a relish. That's perfect. Next, just start whisking away. Whisk harder than you ever have because it's going to hurt your arm. You want these to be nice and fluffy, so if you need to add more egg yolks or more liquid of some sort, do what you need to do.
Beautiful. Velvety orange egg filling. Find yourself a beautiful blue cheese. This is one of my favorites. Murray's Danks Blue. Absolutely delicious. Nice and creamy. Get something nice. Get something that stinks. Stinky.
You can crumble this blue cheese on a grater if you'd like, or you can just do it with your fingers like the pig I am.
Ooh. Stinks like shit. Nice.
After that, we're going to just squeeze our filling back into our egg whites. You can use a piping bag or a Ziploc bag like I did here. Let's ignore that. They should look like this, and then we're just going to take that stinky, sticky blue cheese and top these things off. Just a couple crumbles should do, because after that, we're going to top these things off with some celery slices. And that'll be our final garnish. So I just took some celery slices just like this, and I stuck a couple of them in each egg just for a nice pop. And look at how those are coming together. Man, they look perfect.
Buffalo blue cheese deviled eggs? Wow.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. These things turned out amazing. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome recipes and stupid Yolk Boys videos. Goodbye.